Welcome back to the mischievous side. As I indicated in our last podcast, it was just a matter of time until an exhaust arrived for our Corsa edition. Since Boo got a little feisty after seeing that my V7 with a factory aero exhaust was faster than his Corsa. As always, AF1 Racing from Austin, Texas came through and is our go-to parts company for all things Moto Guzzi. We went with the Agostini short pipes once again, but this time paired with a tune from GCorse to adjust the fueling correctly. In our case, we are talking a high-flow Sprint air filter paired with the free air filter mod that allows for more air to be funneled into the filter, and the Agostini pipes with the dB killer removed, resulting in a hugely improved throttle response and maybe an extra pony or two. As a disclaimer, yes, this tune could potentially mean warranty issues, but we are confident as we have been running a GCorse Tune without any problems in our V100 for over a year now and loving what it did for the V100. And, spoiler alert, the V7 tune is just as good. As you can see, it is not a difficult installation at all. All you have to do is remove a few screws and bolts, and off the factory pipes come, ready to be replaced with these gorgeous Agostini short pipes. To finish it up, we installed the GCorse Tune via UpMap. Make sure that you have a battery tender installed, as the whole process can take up to 30 minutes. Let's take a look at a few sound comparisons.
could they have been different?
You got the same wheels, you got the same motor. The exhaust can definitely not be lighter than mine because there's something else going on.
There's something else.
As you can see, the Corsa can now keep up with my V7. Although, after riding both bikes back to back, his feels heavier than mine, and we are a bit puzzled as to why, so some more investigation is needed. Stay tuned for an update, and, as always, ride safe, ride curvy, and don't forget to wear your gear. MotoMischiefs out.